What are the major causes of diabetes? Diabetes is a chronic medical condition characterized by high blood glucose levels, either due to insufficient insulin production or the body's inability to effectively use insulin. Insulin is a hormone produced by the pancreas that regulates glucose metabolism, allowing cells to absorb glucose from the blood to use it for energy. The two main types of diabetes are type 1 diabetes and type 2 diabetes, each with distinct underlying causes. 1. Type 1 diabetes. Type 1 diabetes, also known as juvenile diabetes or insulin-dependent diabetes, typically develops in childhood or adolescence but can occur at any age. It is an autoimmune disorder, which means the body's immune system mistakenly identifies the insulin-producing beta cells in the pancreas as foreign invaders and attacks them. This autoimmune response results in the destruction of beta cells, leading to little to no insulin production. As a result, individuals with type 1 diabetes require daily insulin injections or insulin infusion through an insulin pump to manage their blood glucose levels. The exact cause of type 1 diabetes is not fully understood, but it is believed to result from a combination of genetic susceptibility and environmental triggers. Certain genes associated with immune function and autoimmune diseases play a role in the development of type 1 diabetes. Additionally, viral infections and exposure to certain environmental factors may act as triggers for the immune system to attack the pancreatic beta cells. 2. Type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is the most common form of diabetes, accounting for about 90% to 95% of all diagnosed cases. It usually develops in adulthood, but it is increasingly affecting younger individuals due to rising rates of obesity and sedentary lifestyles. Type 2 diabetes is primarily characterized by insulin resistance, where the body's cells become less responsive to insulin, and the pancreas may eventually fail to produce enough insulin to compensate for this resistance. Several factors contribute to the development of type 2 diabetes. Genetic factors. Family history and genetics play a significant role in determining an individual's risk of type 2 diabetes. People with a family history of diabetes are more likely to develop the condition. Lifestyle choices. Unhealthy lifestyle habits, such as poor diet, excessive consumption of sugary and high-calorie foods, and lack of physical activity, are major risk factors for type 2 diabetes. These factors can lead to obesity, which is strongly associated with insulin resistance. Obesity. Excess body weight, particularly abdominal obesity, excess fat around the waist, is a significant risk factor for type 2 diabetes. Fat cells release inflammatory substances that can interfere with insulin signaling, contributing to insulin resistance. Sedentary lifestyle. Lack of regular physical activity can increase the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Exercise helps improve insulin sensitivity and glucose utilization by muscles. Age and ethnicity. Advancing age and certain ethnic backgrounds, such as African Americans, Hispanic Americans, Native Americans, and Asian Americans, are associated with a higher risk of type 2 diabetes. While type 1 and type 2 diabetes are the most common types, there are other less common forms, such as gestational diabetes, which occurs during pregnancy due to hormonal changes, and specific genetic forms of diabetes caused by mutations in certain genes. It's essential for individuals at risk of diabetes or those already diagnosed with the condition to work closely with healthcare professionals to manage the condition effectively. Lifestyle modifications, such as a balanced diet, regular exercise, and proper medication, are key components of diabetes management and can significantly improve quality of life and reduce the risk of complications. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and drop comment below, and also don't forget to click on the subscribe button below and turn on the notification button to get notified when we upload another video like this.